What's up, guys? Leo Pazzo TV. Thanks very much for joining me in NAB 2025. I'm gonna go around a couple of the booths over here, check out some products, share it with you guys, so come along with me, let's check it out.
How's it going, everybody? This is Travis coming at you live from the Hollyland booth, NAB 2025. Wanted to give you guys a quick little insight on the new Lark Max 2 that's just going to be coming out in around about a month or so, okay? So keep an eye out on it.
Which microphone are we using to record right now?
Well, the current microphone actually just got Best of NAB 2025. That's the Lark M2S. If you guys are looking for something that does awesome interview microphones, something quick and easy, they want to keep in your bag and keep your stuff up to date and have powerful content, check out the Lark M2S. It's going for about $149. You can get it on our website or on Amazon, all right? But let's talk about the new king, the Lark Max 2, all right? The Lark Max 2 is going to be a force to be reckoned with. Let me tell you right now, new nano skin, so it's not supposed to say hypoallergenic, but it's kind of like, it feels good on the skin. It's not going to cause any irritations. 32-bit float. You guys have been waiting for it. You've been asking for it. We're going to give it to you, okay?
Awesome.
I'm not a super big fan of 32-bit float. I don't like anyone messing with my audio so much, so we even went as far as to add an automatic gain control and an AI implemented volume, okay? So what it's going to do is it's going to ride those volumes for you, and then if all things go south, then it's going to kick in with that 32-bit float and save the audio that you guys are trying to, obviously preserve. Next cool thing we did for you, we wanted to make sure you can use the Max with your phone. So we added in your cell phone connector, USB-C for all you guys out there rocking the new iPhones and all you old Android people, right? And then of course we had to go the next step up. Well, we want you to be able to control it wirelessly completely. So we went Sony hot shoe mount capable. So now you guys can connect it directly to your Sony and you can sit there and use it right there. This cable is actually just wired in. So now you can monitor with our new monitoring headsets for the Max. You can monitor your lavs, plus you can monitor the actual feed audio coming in from your camera. So if you guys got your Rode on there, something like that, you can now hear your Rode mic and you can hear your lav mics. You can monitor that, and then because you're 100% wireless free, you can run over and check your camera B footage and not have to worry about putting your headphones down every single time. Keep an eye out for this bad boy. It's gonna be dropping in about a month. But it's super awesome. Everything, I love everything about it so far, you guys. Check it out. It's the Hollyland Lark Hollyland Lark Max 2. Sorry about that.
Awesome. Thank you very much, man.
No problem.
Looks like a nice kit.
Yeah, super awesome. 33 hours of battery life, 11 hours on the transmitter.
What were you saying about the 32-bit kicking in when the mic?
So the 32-bit float's going to be on your transmitters and it's going to be here. But what's going to happen is you're going to have automatic gain control and like volume. So what's going to happen is the system's going to keep things in check until you absolutely need the 32-bit float.
Got you. And mono mode, stereo mode,
all the same goodies.
Safety track.
Yep, everything that's on your other ones are still going to be on here. So it's all the same great features plus more.
Amazing, man. Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
No problem, guys. Don't forget to check it out, Lark Max 2, okay? Go check out the Hollyland website.